All right, we got the trailer dug out. Let's hook this baby up. Yo, Prius, she pulls like a champ. Can't even tell it's back. Thing loves it. It loves pulling trailers. All right, we are on the road. We're en route. We're all gassed up, tire pressure checked, ready to rip. All right, we're still trucking. Got just under an hour to go. We're gonna be there to see the beast. You there, right, buddy? Yep. All right, real soon. Yeah, okay. We are settled into our Econo Lodge hotel. It's pretty no frills, but Nando's happy, aren't you? Oh yeah. Yeah, he loves hotels. It's like his favorite thing. Well, one of his favorite things. But oh yeah. I guess this goes without saying, but we got the beast. We got the beastie. Hey buddy, you alright, man? Yeah, you better give me that ball. You better give me that ball. I'll get you. I'll get you. Oh, I'll get you. Oh, I'm gonna get you. I'll get you that ball. You better give me that ball. You better give me that ball. Give me that ball. I'll get you. I'll show you some pics of the wheeler, and then tomorrow when we get back I'll get some videos for you. But yeah, that will do it for now. Peace. Alright, we're gonna do a quick compression test on the 200X 250R. Just to kind of see where we stand. So I'll do that real quick and I'll let you know what I get. Alright, just got done giving her some kicks. Right at 200 PSI. So that's pretty dang good. Alright, just pop the carb off. We are gonna change out the main jet. So there she is. I'm gonna get that swapped out, put it back in, and we'll take it for a rip. A little fresh chain wax. Oh yeah, she's rolling over way better now. Alright, we're out here on the 250R swapped 200X. She's good and warmed up. Let's take her for a little rip. Okay, so quick recap. We did a compression test, 200 pounds. That's great. Pulled the carb off, put in the recommended 188 jet for our temperature and elevation. Lube the chain, put in some fresh ethanol free 91 with some Honda 2-stroke oil, 32-to-1 mix. Topped off our coolant. Hey buddy, hey buddy. And what else did we, oh, we have a slight header leak, but I've ordered a gasket for that. It does seem to seal up once things get warm. And I'll probably get a fresh plug for the heck of it. And the last thing I really need to do to it is bend that shifter out a little bit, and she's pretty much good to go. Otherwise, all the bearings and everything else seem happy on it. So yeah, she's pretty much ready to rip, ain't she, buddy? Yeah, yeah. All right, later.